At CSAV, we really do try to be up on the latest technology, so when we're implementing a system, the client can be sure that they're getting the latest and greatest. And we're always forward thinking, in terms of how we spec out equipment. We always want to leave a little bit of room for growth. We don't want to put a system in that's just enough to meet their needs for that day. We always want to leave a little bit of room, so if they decide to add a mic here or a different video input source, that they have a little bit of room for growth. So we've installed a new projector. We've installed some input plates that allow the client to insert video from a couple different locations within this auditorium. We've installed some audio controllers that allow for different setups for performance versus just a basic mode, and we've enhanced their sound system. Well, first we bring a team of experts in to analyze what's happening in the room. Once that's done, we come up with a plan that best suits the client with their budget to enhance the sound and eliminate any kind of static or noise that they're hearing in the system. At CSAV, we have a very unique experience. We're very client-oriented, and customer satisfaction is our #1 goal. So when it comes to installing a system, we don't just want to install the equipment and leave the client high and dry. We do training at the end of every installation. We let the client have a hands-on experience where they're using the equipment, running through it, and we don't complete our training until we're sure that they understand how the system works and that they're comfortable with the installation. We do custom tailor each job to the client's needs, not just, we don't have packages off the shelf. We look at the client's needs and implement what best suits them for their facility.